Hey everyone, welcome back. Oh, that glare is crazy. Hey y'all, thank you for tuning in. This week I've been doing a DIY frugal week. Every day, upcycling something in my closet with something that's already in my house. Today is day, I'm not even sure, but I have a really quick DIY coming to you. Peep the shirt, freedom. Is there an app for that? Anyway, let's get into it. Thanks for... Do you see any stand? There we go. So I got this shirt in the Goodwill on Livingston Street, downtown Brooklyn, a little while back. I haven't worn it yet because I wasn't sure. I love the two-tone feel of the print. It's a very small print and white color. I love the feel of that, the front pocket, the gray shiny buttons down there, but there was just something about the shape of the collar that I wanted to change. Essentially, I'm just going to cut this part right off. Easy. So first thing that I'm gonna do is flip up the collar. I remember this 90s look. Everybody had a popped collar. And as you'll see, there's already a stitch line where the collar is connected below all the way around. And I'm just gonna cut on those lines. See, I'm gonna start on the right side.
I would say pick your best scissors. That way you can be as precise as possible. I'm using my right hand to cut and my left to hold the excess collar and kind of give it a bit of tension. So I'm pulling it a little bit to make sure my lines are as straight as possible. Just turning it around, back to the front.
Boom, shakalaka. And just like that, brand new collar. As you can see here, there might be a bit of frayed material or just some lines that you want to even out. Don't be afraid to trim those frays away. Boom. Maybe I'm looking for a choker. To it. Thanks for tuning in. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't, peace.